Before we start, I'll shout out to Millie. Congratulations. You earned your reward. Now let's start. WHAT the baby best is this. Super simple songs. How dare you use a sound ideas? Crowd kids cheering, small audience of cheering, big cheer sound effects in your countdown video like that. You should know that the kids cheering sound effects is bad for Leo's health and make Lily cry. Now you became a freebie wannabe.
End of call out.